Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the Technica LP60 powered or connected model. First, remove the transit lock and dust cover so the platter spins freely. Next, plug the RCA outputs into your amplifier or powered speakers and connect the DC power supply. Turn the unit on while your amp volume is low because sudden output can overload speakers. Once done, choose 33 or 45 RPM based on the record label. This ensures pitch accuracy and prevents scratching when you play. Now you place the vinyl. Hold by edges, position the hole over the spindle, and let the record settle flat. This prevents warps from causing tracking errors. Once aligned, raise the tone arm with the Q lever and swing it over the outer groove. Lower it gently so the stylus lands without impact, which preserves both stylus and vinyl. Make sure the platter spins smoothly. Visual strobe or a steady light helps verify stable RPM because inconsistent speed will affect timing and tone. When the record finishes, or when you want to stop, use the Q lever to lift the arm, return it to its rest, then power down the turntable and your amp. You should brush the stylus from back to front after sessions and close the dust cover to limit contaminants. This prolongs stylus life and preserves sound. If you hear distortion or uneven speed, make sure RCA and power are secure, test another record, and inspect the stylus. If problems persist, a worn stylus or internal belt/module.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.